Hello and welcome to episode 194 of The Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you Pat Metheny's song, Bright Size Life. The beginning of the melody, the first part of it. These are a very nice exercise in pull-offs. It starts on this F sharp on the D string, then you're jumping over the G string at the 6th and 4th fret, then the B string at the 7th and 5th fret, then finally the E string at the 7th and 5th fret. So altogether it's... Okay, so every one of those is a pull off after your beginning, then pull off, pull off, pull off. Okay, final note is this D, and I'm playing it on the 7th fret of the G string. You could also do it at the 3rd fret of the B string. So, like that, or like that. To finish it, you're playing a G6. Before it goes on to the rest of the melody. But that intro again, I'll play it very slowly. Or if you prefer to play the D down here, like that. Makes for a cool exercise. It's a wonderful song if you don't know it. Check out Bright Size Life by Pat Metheny. And then try to play along with him again. Like that. Alright, hope it's useful. Nice exercise and a cool song. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.